Hi everyone. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to do our customer allocation entry here in our back office. So the first step that we are going to do, you have to log in into our back office interface and then tap the sales module. So once you already tapped the sales module, you can actually see here customer allocation inquiry and select that one. Here I have my specific customer name, Maria Emilia Galvez. If you want to search your customer name, tap that one and then tap the spacebar key into your keyboard to search the name of the customer. You may also filter the from date and the to date and the type. So you can also see that one here and then tap the show settled and then search. So here we have balances on this side and you can tap this specific sales invoices that you want to settle. So for this one, I have 15,000 balance on this one. I have 20,300 balance on this one and a 15,250 balance. So if I'm going to allocate my payment, tap the money or cash icon here and then select payment. Here you can see the 20,300 pesos for customer payment entry. So if you want to add payment, just tap add payment. But of course, first is the mode of payment that was done. So I'm going to have it here as dated check. Next is I am going to input the reference number for this one or the check number. And of course, the bank. So I have here East Asia Bank. And here I am going to input as well if this is a full payment and a partial payment. So yeah, for the amount of discount, if we wanted to give 5% discount for this certain customer, we have to manually compute it. So 20,300 300 bucks times 0.05 is 1,115 bucks. That is, I have to manually input it here. And then tap on the side, you will see it automatically deducts. Next, tap add payment, and it will create a receipt where you can see all the necessary details that we have encoded in the memo site. So MOP, reference number, full payment, and the signatory is here. This is downloadable. This is in PDF file, by the way. You may also print it in a document printer.